Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch review. With the exception of Japan, Hong Kong and Taiwan, the major bourses in Asia Pacific were more stable, while Europe's Stoxx 600 is making a 5-session slide. Futures in the USA are about 0.75% higher. The sterling is stronger on the day, but long-end gilt yields tend to be higher. The dollar has moved above JPY 145.90, where the Bank of Japan intervened last month. Although risk appetites appear to be more stable, it could just be a slight adjustment in position ahead of tomorrow's US CPI. After falling by $1.50 per ounce over the 5-day slide, gold has stabilized. After falling 3.7% over the previous 2 sessions, December WTI is slightly firmer. Asian Pacific market. Many pundits claim that the Fed exports inflation through raising U.S. rates and subsequent increases in the U.S. dollar. Like Japan and Europe, South Korea has seen their external balances decline sharply. The dollar rose to 24-year highs against yen at JPY 146.40. This is half a year higher than late September when the Bank of Japan intervened. Yesterday morning, China reported strong September lending numbers. These figures are consistent with slightly better economic data next week. The Australian dollar fell for the 7th consecutive session and reached $0.6240. This is a new low since March 2020. It is hard to find support, but the psychological zone at 0.6200 is next. Market of euro. Some speculation had suggested that the bank would extend its emergency bond buying program beyond Friday's deadline. The Bank of England Governor Bailey ended the speculation and stated that there would not be an extension. In a variety of ways, the Bank of England stressed that this bond buying program was not QE. It's not intended to lower yields, but to provide liquidity for the distressed market. The UK woes are compounded by the unexpected contraction of 0.3% in August. Sterling stabilized, and it seems that a bout of brief covering helped it rise to nearly $1.1080 in Europe's morning. The euro trades quietly within a narrow range of yesterday's price action. Market of America. Many are concerned that tightening monetary policy could lead to a global recession. Fed officials indicated that they are prepared to take on a recession in the U.S. to maintain price stability. This point will be reinforced by the FOMC minutes of the September meeting, due to be released later today. The Canadian dollar trades quietly in the range of yesterday, but with a more mellow tone. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.